Hi guys, welcome to snmfam, and today I'm gonna share some Club Factory free products. Yes, absolutely free. I got free products from Club Factory. Actually, last week there was a sale going on, and yes, also weekly one product we can obtain for free. So I have sent the link of that. So here on the screen is a cute little badge, and this is so cute. Now it says Ludhiana Club Factory, and next one is this Bara Singha badge. I bought it. Actually, its price was for 120, but the offer price was for 90. Actually, I have sent the free link of the watch for my friends, and I have just collected 30 likes for that, and I got it for free. So free product can't be shipped alone, so I took this Bara Singha, and it is also very user friendly, like easy to pin it, the lock system. And yes, it is also so sturdy, guys. You should give it a try. Actually, this looks so cute now. Isn't it looking so cute? I'm happy with this purchase. And then I have this cute watch which is packed in this yellow color bubble wrap, and again it comes with the plastic wrap, and inside the watch was sealed with vacuum, but I have opened it. The quality of the watch is nice. It's not too good, but it's not so cheap. The dial is awesome, and coming to the side chain, it's okay, but the dial is super awesome, so you can give it a try, although I got it for free. So yes guys, these were my free products from Club Factory, and if you like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to snmfam. That means a lot to me. So this is Sneha signing off. Before that, have a look like how this watch looks on my hand.